head like Logan does? Do your head like Logan. How does Logan do his head? Alton. There you go. Do it. Do like Logan.
There will be. No, very short.
Can you do your head like Logan? There. Do it. Do like Logan. Alton. Can you do your head like Logan?
Yeah.
Do it. Joel. Boy, you look like your daddy. You know it?